We're now going to cover the pandas period data type. So this is a data type unique to pandas. You can construct it with strings passed to the series constructor. And then you set d type equal to period, and then again brackets, and then the time period that you would like it to be. So here we go. This is just one way of converting it. So pandas treats this as the entire month of October in the year 2000, the entire month of June in 2002, and so forth. You could also do it like this, create the series of strings first and then use .as type like that. You'll get the same thing. One other thing you can do is you can take a datetime 64 series and convert it to a period like this. Again, we can use month over here. So that also works. You can convert it to a different period, like just the day, right? So this is a period of the day, or the hour, right? So at 1400, or even the second. So a period can be the very beginning of the second all the way to the very end of the second. So you have all those options by providing it the time period right there. All right, so that is how you can deal with pandas period or convert series to the pandas period object.